Okie doke, next up we got Ram. Ram, what's going on, bud? You're gonna try 2 of these Elite Black sugar keys. There we go. And that side, and this side. Alright. Open this up, we'll throw the die, see what you get. Going twice. There we go. Which way's top, because that shows the white and that shows the white. Guess we'll go like this, doesn't matter. Anyway, here we go, but we got 1 on top, 6 on bottom, rolling twice. 4 and 1. So you'll be getting box. What number is that? E, hard to see. You'll be getting box 89, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one. Box 89 and box 79. That'll leave over box 88, 05, 78, and 87. Alright. Set those there. Set those there. Yeah, and if I see those Ram, if I see those cards come back, I'll 100% let you know. I know if they, when they go to Saudi or whatever, if it's missing one thing, it may probably get sent back, and it'll take a minute. So, by a minute, I mean month. I'll definitely let you know, bud. Pack doesn't want to give. There we go. Yeah, we'll go backwards. Oh, there's one fatty in there. It's 1 off the back, right? Yeah, 1 off the back. Alright, here we go. To 99, Chris Mullen. Number 2 of only 5, Mark Aguirre. Short printing one. Devin Harris to 99. Just a jersey. Number to 99, dual jersey, Joe Johnson. Jersey logo man, Ben Gordon to 99. Flip, Isaiah Thomas. Number to 149, patch autograph, Darko Milicic. Flag patch. Number to 149, Byron Scott. Flag patch, autograph. Number to 5 of only 10, Tyreek Evans. Autograph. Okay. Dennis Scott to 99. Make sure, yeah. To 99, Tim Duncan. 99 jersey, James Harden. 99 Rajon Rondo jersey. This one's numbered to 99 Gordon Hayward patch. There we go. Number to 149 Sidney Moncrief. Got a redemption and another logo man. World Be Free. Meta World piece? No, Monta Ellis. World Be Free and Monta Ellis dual. And then you got Crusade signature card number 60. Oh, I think these are just the first ones here. So that'll be Michael Beasley. I think that'll be a Michael Beasley autograph, because I don't think there's a category. I think the regular are the Crusades. So, yeah. So that'll do it, Ram. I appreciate it, but I'll ship these over to the NY for you, man. Alright, see ya.